Hello guys! For today's video, we're going to cook a very special and common dish
Yummy.
here in the Philippines. It is called pancit. Why it's common? Because during special events like birthdays, weddings, this dish is always present.
Wow.
So let's make it more special. First, I'm going to introduce to you our ingredients for today's dish. So if you have pencils there, papers, get them and start writing those ingredients.
Oh yes.
Without further ado, let's start this video. So this is our first ingredient, the pancit canton or noodles. Next is the garlic, the bulb onions, spring onions, okay, the carrots, the gabe. We have the chicken, okay, chicken's meat, chicken's liver. Okay, we have, of course, the soy sauce. Look at the amount and the oil as well. Next is the nor, the seasoning. It adds flavor to our dish. Okay, first we put the oil. Next is we add the bulb onions and mekos, garlic, and mekos. First is we add chicken's meat. Yes, mekos. Next one is the chicken's liver. Actually, I decide to add chicken's liver because it gives flavor to our dish. Next is the carrots. First we put the carrots because it takes time to make it soft. Then we put the soy sauce on it, and we put a small amount of vinegar, and then we add water. 6 glasses of water, it's enough. We add the cabbage. That's yummy.
Yummy.
The smell is so perfect. Next is I will add water on it and nor and salt as well. Okay. So wait until it boils, and when it boils, you can put the canton or the pancit canton or the noodles. Actually, it's one of my favorite foods here in my country. The taste is very delicious. It's common. When there is an event, we need to cook this kind of dish. According to our ancestors, according to our grandparents, it gives a long life because, as you can see, the texture, the noodles is long, and it gives a long life to someone who will eat it. So that's why during events, during birthdays, they prefer to cook noodles because it gives a long life to someone who will celebrate the event or the special event. You enjoy, and I hope you already decide what you're going to cook for your birthdays. Actually, it's a budget dish, few amounts of ingredients. So that's it for today's video, and see you next time. Bye bye.